In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Jira tutorial. We'll walk through this together from inside Jira, so feel free to follow along on your own screen. The goal is that by the end of this video, you'll have a working Kanban board ready for your team to use. Start by opening your Jira workspace. Once you're on your main projects or boards page, look for the plus sign icon. This is usually used to create something new, like a project or a board. Go ahead and click on that plus sign to begin setting up a new board. After clicking the plus sign, Jira will show you different options or templates you can use. Here, you want to choose the option labeled Software Development. This template is designed specifically for teams managing software work, but it also works well for many types of projects that move through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click on Software Development to continue. Next, Jira will ask which type of board you want to create within that template. You'll see options such as Scrum and Kanban. For this tutorial, select Kanban. A Kanban board is ideal for visualizing ongoing work and limiting how much your team is doing at once, so it's a great choice for continuous delivery or support work. Click on Kanban to proceed. You'll now see an option to use a template. Click on Use Template. This tells Jira that you want to start from the predefined structure it provides, which saves you time, compared to building everything from scratch. After that, Jira will prompt you to select where this new board will live. You'll typically see an option to select a team-managed space or another type of project space your organization uses. Choose the space that matches the team or project that will own this board. If you're unsure, pick the one you're already working in or consult with your admin later. Once you've selected it, move on. Now it's time to fill in the details of your new Kanban board. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it easily. You may also see fields like a project key, description, or access settings. Take a moment to complete these fields thoughtfully. Good naming and descriptions make it much easier to keep things organized as your